Hello and welcome to EduBridge IAS. In this video, we will discuss answers of those questions that we had posted on our Telegram channel. The first question is, in a city there are 12% of households earn less than 30,000 per year. 6% households earn more than 2 lakh per year and 22% households earn more than 1 lakh per year. And 990 households earn between 30,000 to 1 lakh per year. So 12% are earning less than 30,000 and 990 households earning between 30,000 to 1 lakh, and 22%, these 22% are earning more than 1 lakh. But this 22% also includes these 6% जो कि साल भर में 2 लाख से ज़्यादा कमा रहे. तो those who are earning 1 lakh per year will be 16%. तो 16% earning more than 1 lakh to 2 lakh and 6% earning more than 2 lakh. तो ये टोटल कितना हुआ? 16 plus 6, 22 plus 12, 34%. तो how many households are earning 30,000 to 1 lakh? अगर ये हम परसेंटेज की टर्म में निकालें तो ये कितना होगा? 100 minus 34 equals to 66%. तो suppose the total number of households are x, तो x का 66% कितना हुआ? 990. तो x की वैल्यू क्या हुई? 990 अपॉन 66 इंटू 100, तो ये आएगा 1500. ठीक है. तो हाउ मेनी हाउस होल्ड्स आर अर्निंग बिटवीन 1 लाख टू 2 लाख पर ईयर? तो ये कितना है अपने पास? 16%. तो 1500 का 16% होगा, तो ये 16 इंटू 15, तो ये आएगा 240. तो B इज द आंसर इन दिस केस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ क्लॉक स्ट्राइक्स once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, thrice at 3 o'clock. If it takes 12 seconds to strike at 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock पे कितनी बार स्ट्राइक करेगी? 5 times. What is the time taken by it to strike at 10 o'clock? तो यहाँ पे कितनी बार स्ट्राइक करेगी? 10 times. अगर 5 times में इसको लग रहा है 12 seconds, तो 10 times में कितना लगेगा? इसका डबल. तो ये कितना होगा? 24 seconds. B is the answer. The next question is, consider the given statements and two conclusions that follow. The statement is, morning walk is good for health. And the conclusion is all healthy people go for morning walk. It is not saying that all healthy people go for morning walk. So this conclusion is wrong. The second conclusion is, morning walk is essential for maintaining good health. This again, this statement is not saying that it is essential. It is only saying that it is good for health. So this conclusion is also wrong. So answer is D, neither 1 nor 2. The next question says, there are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers. If 39 is the mean of first five such numbers, then what is the mean of all 13 numbers? If 39 is the mean, then the other number will be 41 and 43 on this side, and 37 and 35 on this side. These are initial 5 numbers. Then remaining numbers will be 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 30. तो these are the 13 numbers. तो इनका मीन होगा, if we add all these numbers, then we will get 611 by 13. This will give us 47. Or you can solve it by remove these first six numbers and last 6 numbers. We will get 47 as a mean. So A will be the answer in this case. The next question says that there are 6 boys A, B, C, D, E, F. They are playing a game of cards. Each one of them has a pack of 10 cards. So now the question is saying F borrows 2 cards from A. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Everybody has 10 cards. F borrows 2 cards from A. So A will have 8 and F will have 12. And gives away 5 to C. So he will have 7, he will have 15. 5 to C, who in turn gives 3 to B. C will have 12 and B will have 13. While B gives 6 to D. He will have 7, he will have 16. And D passes 1 to E. So he will have 15 and he will have 11. Now the question is saying then the number of cards possessed by D and E is equal to number of cards possessed by which of the following. So D and E have total 26 cards. Now if we check for the option A 8 plus 7 plus 12, it is 27. So it is not equal to sum of the number of cards of D and E. Now the second option B, C and F. B 7, 12, 19 plus F 7. So it is 26. So B is the answer in this case. The next question says there is a milk sample with 50% water in it. Suppose the quantity of milk is 100 liter and in that 50 liter is water and 50 liter is milk. If 1/3 of this milk is added to equal amount of pure milk, so 1/3 इसका भी वाटर का भी 1/3 होगा एंड मिल्क का भी 1/3 होगा. So then water in the new mixture will fall down to, we have taken 100/3 of this milk and added 100/3 pure milk. This is pure, this is mixed. So it sums up to 200/3, which is the total quantity of the milk that we have now. In that water has 50/3. Water is 50/3 liter. तो 50/3 अपॉन 200/3 जो कि ये है और ये यहाँ वाटर, तो इट विल ट्रांसलेट इनटू 1/4. तो 25%. तो वाटर की क्वांटिटी होगी 25%. सो ए इज द आंसर इन दिस केस. The next question says there are 4 horizontal and 4 vertical lines parallel and equidistant to one another on a board. What is the maximum number of rectangles and squares that can be formed? So suppose these are the 4 lines 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now let us count the squares first. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus this is the one big square. 10, and there are 4 squares. 1, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So 9 plus 1 plus 4 equals to 14. Plus, now if we count the rectangles, then this is the 1, this is the second, 2, plus likewise there would be vertical rectangles 1, 2, plus there would be just a second, horizontal vertical horizontal rectangles, smaller one, 1, 2, 3, similarly vertical one, 1, 2, and this is 3. So 6 plus 6 plus 14, तो ये वाले 2 plus 2 plus 6 ये वाले, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 in the horizontal direction and 6 on the vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these plus 12. तो ये कितना हो 10. 10 plus 22 plus 14, ये 36. So C is the answer in this case. This can be solved by another method. There are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical and 4 horizontal. So we have to choose 2 lines from these vertical lines to make a rectangle, 4C2, and 2 from this horizontal line, 4C2. So this will be 4 into 3 by 2 into 4 into 3 by 2. So this will come out to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So C is the answer by this method as well. The next question says a freight train left Delhi for Mumbai at an average speed of 40 km per hour. 2 hours later, an express train left Delhi for Mumbai, following the freight train on a parallel track at an average speed of 60 km per hour. How far from Delhi would the express train meet the freight train? Suppose this is the train, freight train. In 2 hours, it will move to 80 km, 40 into 2, and the express train is coming from behind. So relative, it is coming at 60 km at 60 km per hour. So relative velocity will be 60 minus 40 equal to 20 km per hour. क्यों? क्योंकि both of them are moving in the same direction, then relative velocity will be the difference between the speed of these two trains. तो इसको 80 किलोमीटर को कवर एट दिस रिलेटिव स्पीड, इसको 80 किलोमीटर कवर करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 4 आवर्स. 4 आवर्स में दिस ई ट्रेन विल मूव 60 into 4 equal to 240 kilometer. So C is the answer in this case. The next question says, in a test, Ranveer obtained more marks than total marks obtained by Kunal and Debu. So Randhir, Kunal and plus Debu. The total marks obtained by Kunal and Shankar are more than those of Randhir. So Kunal plus Shankar. From these two, we can say that Shankar has got more marks than Debu. सोनल obtained more marks than शंकर. तो ये क्या हो गया? सोनल, शंकर एंड देबू. नेहा obtained more marks than रणधीर. तो नेहा बट इन दो रिलेशन में आपस में कोई रिलेशन नहीं दिया है, सो वी कैन नॉट डिटरमाइन एग्जैक्टली हु हैज़ द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स. सो इस केस में द आंसर विल बी डी, डाटा आर inadequate. The next question is a paragraph. The paragraph is basically about political development in traditional institutions, and it says about growth and decay of traditional groups because of political development. It also says that because of these political developments, group awareness also increases. So which of the question is asking which of the following is the best explanation of above passage. So A is the answer in this case, because it says that political development is not a unilinear process, but for it involves both growth and decay. Here it is written renews their identification and forms new groups and symbols. Let us look why other options are wrong. The option B says traditional societies succeed in resisting positive aspects of political development. It is wrong, because new groups and symbols emerges and because of alignment among traditional groups. The option C says it is impossible for traditional societies to break away from lingering loyalties. It is also incorrect, because there are new groups forming up because of political developments. The option D says sustenance of traditional loyalties is conducive to political development. It is wrong, because it does not lead to group awareness as well as formation of new groups and symbols. So A is the answer in this case. You can join our Telegram channel at edubridge_is to get the to attempt daily quiz, also to get PDF of our other discussion that we regularly hold, and also about regular updates of our various other programs. Thank you very much.